Ideally located close to quality schools, local shops, beaches, and bordering the infamous Meadow Springs Golf Course, it's this type of property that's highly sought after in today's market.